Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making two easy savory Halloween themed snacks. Kids can help with all of this. One is mommy sausages and the other one is deviled eyes. These fun Halloween appetizers are easy to prepare and delicious too. Now let's get started. Things you will need to make mommy sausages. Our first recipe is mommy sausages. I've cut the sausages into halves and kept aside. We are going to wrap these sausages in puff pastry sheets. You can also use crescent rolls as well. Sprinkle some dry flour and just give a gentle roll. Let's cut these sheets into 1 cm strips. Wrap dough around each sausage to make it look like mummy bandages, leaving a small space for the face as shown here. I'm using black peppercorns for the eyes. You can use whatever you want to use. I'll finish the rest of the sausages and show you. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Every oven is different, so keep an eye on it. I'm going to add seasonings to the sausages. This will give extra taste and flavor. I've melted 2 tablespoons of butter. To that I'm adding quarter teaspoon of fennel leaves, quarter teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of mixed herbs, a pinch of salt, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Give a mix. Apply the seasoning well on the sausages. There you go, delicious mommy sausages. It's super easy savory Halloween treat. You can make these in no time. Our second recipe is deviled eyes. These are the ingredients. We are going to decorate the eggs in Halloween ways. I have already hard boiled my eggs. Let's dye these eggs. Carefully crack them so that the color will seep into the shells and look like devil's scary eyes. Take some food color to dye some water. Let the eggs soak in the water for at least 10 minutes. It's been soaking for 15 minutes. Gently peel the shells. Half eggs lengthwise, scoop out yolks into a small bowl. To the yolks I've added yellow, green and black food color, in which I'm adding some mayonnaise, few drops of lemon juice, salt and pepper. Using a fork or a spoon, mash well. Let's decorate these egg whites, yellow for pumpkin and a small onion leaves for the stem. Let's fill this with green and green olives for the eyeball. Now black is for bat and decorate this with black chips for wings. Now let's fill this with yellow for Halloween big eye. Fill this with green for green monster eye. These eyeball deviled eggs are perfect for Halloween party. These fun Halloween appetizers can be partially prepared ahead. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment, and also share this recipe with your family and friends. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.